Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about mitochondria, which are also called as powerhouse of the cell. So let us look at their structure. Mitochondria are double membrane bound cell organelle. So this is the outer membrane and this is the inner membrane. So they are unique in a way that the two membranes are very different from each other. The outer membrane is continuous and is very porous because it has numerous tiny openings. On the other hand, the inner membrane has numerous finger-like projections which provides greater surface area for ATP synthesis. We'll be looking at it a bit later. Other than this, one unique feature of mitochondria is that they have their own DNA and their own ribosomes. As a result, they can make their own proteins and they can replicate as well. Moving on to the function of mitochondria, as we already know, they are called as powerhouse of the cell. Therefore, we can say that they help in ATP synthesis. The ATP stand for adenosine triphosphate and ATP is known as energy currency of the cell. What is the reason behind it? Well, the energy required for various chemical activities is released by the ATP. So we can call them as the energy currency of the cell. If you are wondering where exactly in this mitochondria ATP is synthesized, the answer is it is at this inner membrane. And that is the reason it is highly folded. These foldings provide more surface area. So greater the area, greater will be the ATP synthesis. So that's all about mitochondria.
Do like, subscribe and share this video.